Hello, today I'm introducing the demo project of XMReport. First, you can find this project on GitHub. You can clone this project, and but before you build this project, you need to install the engine library to your local Maven repository. You can find this engine library in the library directory. Okay, open the terminal here and install the library with this command. You can copy it and paste it here. It might take some time if you learn this command for the first time, since that it contains some dependencies. Okay, it is installed successfully, and then you can return to the project, meaning the root directory of the project, and then build with this command. Okay, you can skip text here. It may take some time if you build this project for the first time, since it contains some dependencies from the Spring Boot and the GPA. Okay, it's built successfully, and then you can run project with this command. This is the output of the build. Okay, you can here. Okay, it, it starts successfully, and then we can open the browser and visit local GAG. Okay, you can see this project, the designer here, and now let's import project into our development and our IDE. Can import the existing mount project, and then we copy the path and okay, it's imported, and then we can see the files of the about the project, and this is this class is the Bootstrap class, and then you can see that this is a standard Spring Boot application, and there's some of the files, and for the static resource that runs in browser that must store in the static directory, and then you can see this designer.html, and this is the files we access just now, and this is the report controller is the preview controller that used by the designer. For example, we run the preview, do preview in the designer, and, then it will access to this preview. You can see here is will access to this controller and this endpoint. Oh, we didn't we have stopped our plane just now. Okay, let's start it again within our IDE. Is the same as we learned our command in the console, in the terminal. Okay, let's do the preview again. Okay, it is previewed successfully. And here is the CURD operation of the template management. For example, you can create a template here, and then it will access to the disk controller. And here is the share speed. This is share speed is an option for the integration. You can remove this feature if you don't need it. And here you can create a share speed and edit it. And save. You can give access to this controller. And the data source, and the data source is also an extension of XMReport. You can remove this feature if you don't need this need the data source management. It's an extension. It's something assistant to your design. Okay, and we are also using the GPA for our persistence. You can see the GPA entities. And here is the template entity, and here is the share speed entity. And of course, here is the data source entity. And this project is quite simple, so you can see everything here. It does not contain something that was not needed by your project. Okay, and we are using the Durbit as our database since that is portable, and for your integration it might be changed to other database. You can see the configuration here. It's not here. It's in the, let me see, persistent config. You can see the persistent configuration file here, and you can change to the MySQL according MySQL, Oracle, or other database as you as your requirement. Of course, you can rewrite all these files according to your requirement. Since this is just a demo project, it contains the endpoints that will be accessed by the designer. This is the basic thing. You can write this endpoint by yourself, and then maybe about the creating, updating, deleting the template. And here is the demo to generate a PDF. You can see gets the temporary data by the temporary ID, and then here is the example. If you want to generate a PDF, you can see here. This is the entry of generating PDF. You pass the temporary data and the review data and preview option, the generate option into this method, and then it will return the files to you. And after you process this file, you need to delete it. Okay, and this is the introduction to the demo project. You can send emails to me if you have any problems or suggestions. Thank you.